Look at Leo. Look, Leo.
Let's see what he does.
Look at Leo. Look at Leo. Come here. Hey, look.
Check it out. Look.
Leo. Hey, buddy, come here. Check it out.
Yeah. What a good boy.
He's just scared of everything.
He just wants a tummy touch.
He's so scared. Look at Leo. Leo, look at it. What's this? What is this? Leo, hey. Hey, Mr. Farrell. Hey, Mr. Farrell.
Well,
Hey,
it's
buddy.
a start.
Hey, look what you got over here. Look.
We would try catnip, but we already know how he feels about catnip.
You don't do drugs. Look.
Yeah, he says no to catnip.
Leo, look at this. This is for you, so you don't beat up my chair. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? Don't you want to do that?
He's like, no.
You do. Put your little fat butt right on there and just.
I'm okay, man. I'm
Good
cool.
boy, huh? You know you want it. You know you want to.
All right, well, we'll see how it progresses.
Yeah, save my chair with this, I hope.
Yes, please.
Maybe she'll do
Let's
it.
hope it. Yeah, somebody will use it.
Who's this, baby? Get this.
Baby?
Come here. You want to get this? I'm not afraid of stuff.
Right? What a good baby girl. She's like, I'm cool with it. Oh, good baby. She knows what it's for. She'll teach him. He's watching.
He's watching. This is awesome.
Right on.
What a good girl. When you put your fat butt on there, you're pulling it underneath the chair.
Okay.
How come all you guys got big fat butts, huh?
Yeah, well, you know, because they eat good. All right, thanks so much for watching.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Baby's gonna figure it out right away. Look at her. She's
Baby's
on
got
it.
this.
What a good girl.
Well, no matter what, somebody's using it. Yes.
She's like, what? This isn't for me? Cool. It's mine now.
All right, yos. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you again.
She loves it.
She does. That's awesome.
Awesome.
What a good girl.